Hi guys, it's me. I'm back and I'm playing Minecraft. I already played this a lot, so I just built an obsidian house. So I'm not sure now. I might just put on some diamond armor. Diamond armor. I really want some diamond. I think the helmet goes here. Oops. As a shield, you can't get shields, I don't think. I'm gonna show you guys how to make a TNT man. And it's gonna be on top of my house. So come on. Only TNT. I don't really know these. Oops. That's not how to move these keys. Then I think this will make a mega explosion. But everyone knows in Minecraft you can't use TNT to destroy obsidian. Those are the legs. You will do about 2 more layers. And then you use 2 more layers here. You do 2 more. Then you build arms. We're gonna light this on fire, guys. It kind of looks like a noob, but then you have to build the head. I'll be doing more Minecraft videos too. So, now what you need to do is this. Now I'm ready to light up my TNT. Wait. One more layer here. I did 3 each. I was meant to do 2. Sorry. Should I light his head on fire? Ooh. Yeah, I'm gonna light his head on fire. Everyone knows you need redstone or redstone torch to light TNT. It's loading. Oh we could just try the redstone. I think that's what worked last time. Yeah. Guys, it's not working. Why isn't TNT working? Maybe if I put a dent in his head. Okay guys, well then I've showed you how to make it on a house, but it won't explode, so that's a bit sad. So I'll just make something else quickly for you guys. But I didn't mean to break it up. So, I don't know even what I'm making. Literally, all I've done is this. Like a mini chamber. So, this isn't an actual magic redstone torch string. On my next video I could show you one if you give me some likes. So don't forget to also check out my sister's channels. The first one is Georgie's Bachelor. You type in that, then you go Stormy Gamer. And my other sister's called Jessie Jess. So I guess that's it. Chameleon. Or I got a trick. You should spawn like 100 animals in there. Let's get some animals to chuck in there. I don't think anyone will mind. Parrots. part of the best spawning. Vex spawning. What's a Vex? Let's see what a Vex is. This is literally a Vex spawn. So I guess that won't work. Dolphin. Let's try dolphin. No. Guys, I'm gonna spawn now dolphins. Oops. And now I'm gonna close it. I'm gonna close this up. Infinite hiding. The bee pinch black in here. So good. Bye. So goodbye. Sorry.